Alright, in this section here we're going to be finding the distance between 2 points in the Cartesian plane. And we're going to be doing that by using the distance formula, of course. And so I'm going to attempt to draw the XY plane here. Alright, let's pick 2 points here. I'm going to pick a point here at the origin, make it real simple, and then a point up here, and we'll say this is at 2, 2, and this point here is at the origin 0, 0, and we want to find the distance between these 2 points. And so let's just draw a line here. So we want to find the distance of this line here, okay? And the way we're going to look at this is, first off, we're going to look at it using the Pythagorean theorem, all right, which you should be familiar with, where this is the distance right here, x, and then this would be the distance y right here. Well, we know that this is a 2 right here, okay? So we go over 2 units and then up 2 units. That gives us this address right here. Alright, so we're going to use r squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. And so this right here would be considered r, which is going to be the distance, right? This is the hypotenuse of this right triangle right here. Well, we know what x is. X is the distance between the origin and 2 on the x-axis. We'll call that the x-axis, and that the y-axis. Okay? Alright, so this would be 2 squared plus, and then y is this distance here, and we're going up 2 units, so I'll put a 2 right here. So this is 2 units this way, and then 2 units right in here, the distance. Okay, and so we end up with y is 2 squared. So this side of the triangle is 2, and this side of the triangle here is a distance of 2. And to find r, we just use this formula here. So we have 2 squared is 4, and 4, which is 8. But we need to solve for r in this problem, and so we just square root both sides. And of course, when you square root a square, right, that square just disappears. Now we can break this up as to 4 times 2, which is 8. But you know the square root of 4 is 2. So we end up getting that side of the triangle as 2 times the square root of 2. So this distance here is going to be 2 square roots of 2, right, the distance. Well, we just found the distance between 2 points. Now let's work another example. So we'll clear that out. And this time, that's really getting annoying. Okay. So, actually, let's do a quiz here. I'm going to let you figure out, we'll say this is 2 here, what the distance is between the origin and this point right here. Okay, so we want to find this distance. So this is going to be a quiz.